Welcome to Your Own Side Hustle. Today we are going to talk about how to get started in affiliate marketing for beginners. If you are new to this channel, welcome. This channel was created to help you find the perfect side hustle that fits you. If you are looking for a side hustle, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified of all my latest videos. So let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a method of promoting another company's product or service and earning a commission on the sales you generate. Essentially, it involves using unique referral links to market your chosen products and receiving a commission on any sales made through your links. Low risk and low cost. One of the biggest attractions to affiliate marketing is that it is a low risk and low cost way to begin earning revenue. For example, you can create YouTube videos and place the referral link in the video's description. If someone decides to make a purchase through the link, a commission is earned. This could be done by putting links on any social media: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or TikTok, which would then earn a commission on any sales made through those links. The great thing about this business model is that it requires minimal investment to start up. Affiliate marketing is easy to start and benefits all parties involved. The affiliate earns a commission, the audience receives valuable products, and the product owner sees increased sales. If you are investing little to no money to start, then there is practically no financial risk. Scalable. Affiliate marketing is also relatively simple to scale. Unlike traditional sales, where one may only promote products from a single company, as an affiliate marketer, one can promote products from multiple companies and earn commissions from each of them. As for the earning potential, while Glassdoor reports the average annual earnings to be around $78,000, this does not happen overnight. But with some consistency, there are some affiliate marketers who make even more. How to find products. One way to find affiliate opportunities is to check if your preferred companies offer referral links. You can search for affiliate program and add the company's name to find out if they have a program. For instance, I use Namecheap to purchase my domains. I have a referral link, which you can find in the description, that will earn a commission if anyone signs up with my link. I use this service, and I honestly recommend it to anyone looking to buy a domain name. Additionally, you can see which products other content creators in your niche are promoting, as these are products that may have affiliate programs. Finally, you can sign up for affiliate networks such as ClickBank, ShareSale, and Amazon Associates, which offer a platform to search and find brands that align with your interests. Apply and see if you're accepted. The marketing side of affiliate marketing. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to build a brand rather than solely spamming links. To start, you'll need to choose a platform that aligns with your interests and abilities. There are many platforms to choose from, such as social media, video creation, blogging, and more. One effective approach is to create a YouTube channel and a blog, as this allows for SEO optimization and the ability to rank for specific keywords. Additionally, the material you create should have long-term relevance or evergreen content, which is not time-sensitive, like covering current events. Instead, it should be about a topic that is of interest to your target audience and preferably solve a problem for them. You may generate affiliate sales from a video over time because your video will remain relevant and people may sign up for the product that you're talking about. Consistency. Another important aspect of building a successful affiliate marketing strategy is consistency. It's important to be passionate about the products or services you're promoting, as this makes it easier to maintain consistency in your content creation, even during difficult times. It's often hard to keep on going when you lose interest, but when you're passionate about the topic, it's easy to keep going and create content that resonates with your audience. Choosing products. It's important to begin with products or services that you personally recommend and use. These are the products that will provide the most value for your audience because you're familiar with them and understand how they work. It's essential to ensure that the products you promote align with your brand and that you truly believe in them. This will help in building trust with your audience. By promoting products that you're passionate about, you'll be able to build trust and credibility with your audience, and they are more likely to purchase the products through your links. Paid versus organic traffic. Paid traffic and organic traffic refer to the two main ways of driving traffic to a website. Paid traffic is generated through the use of paid advertising campaigns, such as Google AdWords, Facebook ads, and other pay-per-click advertising platforms. These campaigns use specific keywords or targeting options to reach a specific audience. In exchange for payment, the ads are displayed on search engines or social media platforms, and when clicked on, the user is directed to the advertiser's content. The advantage of paid traffic is that it's fast and can provide immediate results. You can set a budget, and it can be used to test the traffic of your website or product. On the other hand, organic traffic is the traffic that is generated naturally without the use of paid advertising. Organic traffic is generated when a user finds your content through a search engine such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo by typing in a keyword or phrase that relates to your content. Organic traffic is seen as the most valuable type of traffic as it is a long-term strategy which helped in building a reputation and authority. It's free and the audience is more likely to be interested in the content. So in short, paid traffic is a way to buy visitors to your content, whereas organic traffic is free and it is generated by the user searching for specific keywords or phrases that relate to your content. I hope you have enjoyed this beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. This is a great way to start making some extra income without a large startup cost. I highly recommend this side hustle as it is a win-win for everyone involved. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment below, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do that so you won't miss out on any upcoming videos. Also, check my links below. There is a link to a free training with the exact course I took to get started in affiliate marketing. I'll see you in the next video.